See,
One wisdom through which pours the sunlight of human spirit and human dignity. The honor to our chief guest.
Escort group, salute. Escort group, by the left turn. Escort group, by the left, slow march.
I would like to call our chief guest and beloved principal sir for flag hoisting.
I request all the students and teachers to stand up.
Pushpa ma'am.
General salute, salute. National anthem, in chorus, begin. बोलो भारत माता की, बोलो भारत माता की, बोलो भारत माता की, वंदे।
change God, but it changes him who prays. I would like to call our singing choir for the invocation. For mesmerizing invocation. It's time to call upon Miss Rushda Arfain of grade 6 for welcoming the gathering.
Warm greetings and a very warm welcome to all of you present here. I'm Rushda Arfain of grade 6 Swami Vivekananda. Okay, it is my great honor and privilege to welcome you all to the 75th Republic Day celebration. First, I'd like to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Chetan Pratap KN, for this occasion. Welcome you, sir. I'd like to welcome our Honorable Principal, Dr. Lava MB. Welcome you, sir. I also welcome our Podar Prep Headmistress, Reshma Shettima. Welcome you, ma'am. I welcome our coordinators, teaching and non-teaching staff to this program. Welcome you all. Last but not the least, I'd like to welcome our Podarites and parents to this wonderful occasion. Welcome you all. I'd like to reiterate the importance of the Constitution in shaping our nation. It is a document that defines our rights and responsibilities, and it is a duty as citizens to uphold the principles and values. Let us all celebrate this day by committing ourselves in a building and a strong and more prosperous India. With these humble words, I bow my head to the flag with the words Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you for your warm welcome. Now I would like to welcome Sridhar sir, our secondary coordinator, to introduce our chief guest.
May the idea of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity lead us in building a stronger and more harmonious nation. Good morning, respected dignitaries on the dais, staff, and my dear Podarites. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. I, Sridhar, Secondary Coordinator, Podar International School, Tumakuru. It gives me great pleasure to introduce such a great personality, the chief guest of this program. We are really honored this morning by the presence of our honorable chief guest, Dr. Chetan Pratap KN. Professor Chetan Pratap is currently an assistant professor of Department of Physics Tumkur University, Tumakuru. He has an impressive educational background. He was conferred PhD by Mysore University for his work on crystal and molecular studies of medicinally important heterocyclic compounds. And he has many years of experience in the field of education. He worked as a lecturer in Sadvidya Pre-University College, Mysuru, and working as a professor in Tumkur University, Tumakuru. He regularly participates in conferences, workshops, and refresher courses as a research person. He has presented many papers in international and national.
Vande Mataram, Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka Mate. Performing Kitturani Chennamma. Kitturani Chennamma is the queen of Kitturu. There are some dialogues of Kitturani Chennamma. ಕಪ್ಪ ಬೇಕಾ ಕಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ ಭೂಮಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಮೋಡ ಮಳೆಯ ಸುರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ದುಡಿಯೋರು ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ ನೀವೇ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರೇ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿಯರೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್ ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. Grade am studying in grade 1 Emerald. Today I am dressed up as Sangolli Rayanna. Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Sahib. I am studying in grade 1 Ruby. I am a brave soldier. Okay. Good morning everyone. My name is Siddharthas. I am studying in grade 1 Emerald. I want to tell the I am a soldier. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sayatrishi. I am studying in second standard CNRO. I am here Ambedkar. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Inaya from grade 1 Sapphire. I am a Begum Hassan Mahal. I am the first minister in Muslim. I thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Azufan. I am studying in grade 2 CNRO. Today I am dressed up as national bird. Thank you. Good morning one and all. Today I am dressed up as Annie Besant. I am Dhanvi from grade 2 CNRO. I have dressed up as Annie Besant. Hello everyone. My name is Shivendra. I am studying in grade 1 Emerald. Today I am dressed up in Ambedkar. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Muhit Khan. I am studying in grade 2 CNRO. I am Bhagat Singh. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Ritikoda. I am studying in second standard CNRO. Today I dress up like a Sangalli Rayanna. Good morning everyone. My name is Pritampi. I am studying in grade 2 CNRO. Today I am dressed as a Indian national bird, peacock. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Hitesh. I am studying in grade 2 CNRO. Today I am dressed up like a freedom fighter. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. My name is Preetam Chitole. I am studying in grade 2 CNRO. I dress up like freedom fighter. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Saqif. I am studying grade 2 CV Raman. Today I am dressed up like Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. I am a first Minister of Education of India. Thank you. wonderful participation. It's now time to call upon Master Harshit of Grade 4 for his speech related to today's celebration.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹರ್ಷಿತ್ HK. ನಾನು 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹರ್ಷಿತ್ HK. ನಾನು 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಮಾಸ್ತಿ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಂದು ಜನವರಿ 26 ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ದಿನ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. 1950 ಜನವರಿ 26ರಂದು ಭಾರತ ಸಂವಿಧಾನವು ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ BR ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ದಿನದ ನೆನಪಿಗಾಗಿ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಭಾರತ ಸಂವಿಧಾನವು ಭಾರತದ ಸರ್ವೋಚ್ಚ ಕಾನೂನುವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಲಿಖಿತ ಸಂವಿಧಾನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ.
Thank you, Harshit. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. Now, I would like to welcome grade 3 and 4 students for a dance performance.
लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान। माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान। सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान।
फातिमा
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया। I love my India, I love my India।
India, I love my India.
performance. Music is a shorthand of emotion. Now I would like to invite Krishna and group for patriotic. Thank you for your melodious performance.
It's rightly said that if you believe you can and you are halfway there.
I would like to call upon Master Aryan of Grade 5 to brief about our Constitution.
Good morning everyone present here. Myself Aryan. I am studying in grade 5th Rakesh Sharma. Today I am going to speak about Indian Constitution. A constitution is a set of rules and regulations guiding the administration of a country. It is also the longest constitution in the world. It was adopted on 26 November 1949 by the Constituent Assembly and came into effect on 26 January 1950, celebrated as the Republic Day of India. Originally, it consisted of 395 articles and arranged under 22 parts and 8 schedules. As of 2023, after many amendments, it has 448 articles, 12 schedules and 25 parts with 5 appendices and 106 amendments. The preamble to the Constitution and India presents the principles of the Constitution and indicates the sources of its authority. Fundamental rights are the entitlements that individual possess by virtue of being citizens of particular country. Fundamental duties are the responsibilities that citizens have towards their country and fellow citizens. Indian Constitution has many features such as lengthiest written constitution, federal system with unitary bias, parliamentary form of government, integrated and independent judiciary.
For your speech. Now I would like to request our grade 3 to 5 students for a skit performance. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂವಿಧಾನವೆಂಬ ಹೆಗ್ಗಳಿಕೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. 1950 ಜನವರಿ 26ರಂದು ನಾನು ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. 395 ವಿಧಿಗಳು, 22 ಭಾಗಗಳು, 8 ಅನುಚ್ಛೇದಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ದಿನ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಇಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಭಾರತದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನವು ತಿದ್ದುಪಡಿಗೊಂಡು 448 ವಿಧಿಗಳು, 25 ಭಾಗಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ 8 ಅನುಚ್ಛೇದಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ.
What do you want? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತರಕಾರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? What do you mean? Vegetable market. Where are you from? ನಾನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Our neighbor state. Why you people are coming here? Can't you stay in your state?
Stop. What are you doing? ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಯಾವ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಯಾವ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಸಹ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಮಾನರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ಹಕ್ಕು ಬಾಧ್ಯತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಮಾನರು. ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ವಿಧಿ 14ರಿಂದ 18ರವರೆಗೆ ಭಾರತದ ಯಾವ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಮಾನರು. ಉಲ್ಲಂಘಿಸಿದರೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಖಚಿತ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತದೆ.
ಸಾರಿ.
ಸಮಾನತೆಯ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಸಮಾನತೆಯ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಸಮಾನತೆಯ ಹಕ್ಕು.
ಯಾಕಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬಾ ಲೇಟು? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡ್ಕೊ ಹೋಗು. ಅಣ್ಣ, ಕೆಲಸ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊ ಹೋಗಮ್ಮ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇರೆ, ನಾನು ನೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಟ? ನೀನ್ ಒಬ್ಳೆ ನೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇಶ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕಣ್ಣ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ವಿಧಿಯ 90ರಿಂದ 22ರವರೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಕುರಿತು ಹೇಳುತ್ತದೆ. ಉಲ್ಲಂಘಿಸಿದರೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿಟ್ಟ
ಗೊತ್ತಿ. 18 ವರ್ಷ ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಮತದಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬುದ್ಧಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಸತಿ ಗೇಣಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಈ ಸಲ ಮಳೆ ಬೆಳೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಬುದ್ಧಿ.
ಹೋದ್ಸತಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ?
ಹೋದ್ಸಲಿ 8 ಚೀಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ.
ಈ ಸತಿ 10 ಚೀಲ ಬೇಕು.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೇನೋ ದಿವಸದು ನಾನು ಏನು ಗೇಣಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ?
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, 10 ಚೀಲ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ
ನಿಲ್ಸಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ವಿಧಿ 23 ಮತ್ತು 24 ಶೋಷಣೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧದ ಹಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತದೆ. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಶೋಷಿಸಿದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಖಚಿತ.
ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ.
ಶೋಷಣೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧದ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಶೋಷಣೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧದ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಶೋಷಣೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧದ ಹಕ್ಕು.
ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಧಿ 25ರಿಂದ 28ರವರೆಗೆ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಹಕ್ಕಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳು ತಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಲು ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿದೆ. ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಹಕ್ಕು.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ಆಯ್ತೇನೋ ಕೆಲಸ?
ಆಯ್ತು ಬುದ್ಧಿ, ರಂಚೆ ಇದೆ, ಹೊಡ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಇವನಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕೇಳಂತೆ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ, ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದ್ವಾ?
ಮೊದಲು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡು.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗೀತು ಬುದ್ಧಿ.
ನಿಲ್ಸಿ. ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ವಿಧಿ 29 ಮತ್ತು 30ನೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 14 ವರ್ಷದ ಒಳಗಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಉಚಿತ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಡ್ಡಾಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವಿದೆ. ಅವರಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಅಥವಾ ದುಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಪರಾಧ.
ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಹಾಗೂ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಹಕ್ಕು.
ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಹಕ್ಕು ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ಕೊನೆಯ ಹಕ್ಕಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಸಮಾನತೆಯ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಶೋಷಣೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಹಕ್ಕು ಮತ್ತು ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಹಕ್ಕು. ಈ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಲಂಘನೆಯಾದರೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು.
Thank you all for a wonderful performance. Now it's time to invite the students of grade 6 to 7 for a dance performance.
अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द से महफूज रहे, तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, ठिकाना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस मुंह से निकल के खून कहे। मैं मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रही, तेरी आँख कभी नम हो। मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे, कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माही मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आँख से दरिया बहता है। तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं, और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
आसमान में उड़ने के लिए हजारों पर लाती है, हाथों में जीतने का हुनर लाती है। किसी भी देश का सीना चौड़ा होता है तब जब बेटियां जीत के सोना घर लाती है। और ऐसा ही गर्व भारत को महसूस कराया है हमारी बुलंद बेटियों ने। बस बड़ा बोल अब कुछ करिए, हो कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तुम पे करिए या करिए। हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तुम पे करिए या करिए। शक्ति है भटकता इंडिया, शक्ति है भटकता इंडिया, शक्ति है भटकता इंडिया। लड़ती पतंगों में, भिड़ती उमंगों में, खेलों के मेलों में, पल खाती रेलों में, गन्नों के शीशे में, खद्दर में छींटे में, ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे कफ्ता बोरीनों में। तन है समाज बिखरे और खुल के आज बिखरे, मन जाए ऐसी होती रग रग मचल के बोली। बस है ना बस है जिद है ना जिद है, किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही बस है। कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तुम पे करिए या करिए। हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तुम पे करिए या करिए। शक्ति है भटकता इंडिया, शक्ति है भटकता इंडिया, शक्ति है भटकता इंडिया, भटकता इंडिया।
Thank you all for this magical performance. Now I would like to call Yellappa sir to sing the song.
ಹಿರಿಯ ಶೃಂಗಾರ ದೇವನದಿ ಗಂಗಾ, ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿದ ಭಾವವು ನೂತನ ಅನುಪಮ ಉತ್ತುಂಗ. ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿದ ಭಾವವು ನೂತನ ಅನುಪಮ ಉತ್ತುಂಗ. ಯುವ ಸನಾತನ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಗೆ ವೇದ ಪುರಾಣವೇ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಗಳು. ಭಾರತದುನ್ನತಿಯ ವನತಿಗೆ ಸಾಕ್ಷುವ ಮಾದರಿಯ ಶಿಖರಗಳು. ಅಂಜುವ ಎದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಧೈರ್ಯವ ತುಂಬುವ ಉರಿಯುವ ಮಂಜಿನ ಮಹಲುಗಳು. ಅಂಜುವ ಎದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಧೈರ್ಯವ ತುಂಬುವ ಉರಿಯುವ ಮಂಜಿನ ಮಹಲುಗಳು. ಗಿರಿಯ ಶೃಂಗ ದೇವನದಿ ಗಂಗಾ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿದ ಭಾವ ವಿನೂತನ ಅನುಪಮ ಉತ್ತುಂಗ.
मंच पर उपस्थित आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, शिक्षक गण और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों को मेरा प्रणाम। सर्वप्रथम सभी जनों को 26 जनवरी गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देते हुए मैं चौथी कक्षा का छात्र मोहम्मद अर्श हूँ। आज इस अवसर पर मैं डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर के बारे में 2 शब्द कहना चाहता हूँ। गरज उठे गगन सारा, समंदर छोड़े अपना किनारा, हिल जाए जहां सारा जब गूंज उठे जय भीम का नारा। इस दिन 26 जनवरी 1950 को भारत का संविधान लागू हुआ था। ये तो आप जानते ही हैं कि डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर को भारतीय संविधान का निर्माता कहा जाता है। डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर ने नारा दिया था कि शिक्षित बने, संगीत रहें और संघर्ष करें। इस नारे से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। वह एक महान व्यक्तित्व के धानी होने के साथ साथ एक महान समाज सुधारक भी थे। उनके जीवन से प्रेरणा लेकर देश समाज के नव निर्माण में सभी को योगदान देना चाहिए। इतना ही कहकर मैं मेरे 2 शब्द पूरे करना चाहता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत, धन्यवाद।
We should respect our constitution, national flag and national anthem.
Sorry, sir. Hereafter, I will respect my country, constitution, national anthem, and national flag.
International celebrities have commented on India's socio-economical condition and have called India as a primitive country. Buddy, what do you think about it?
Buddy, according to me, they don't have any right to comment on my country because we are sovereign state with unity and integrity as a nation. So, it is invalid and there is no need to give any importance to this kind of commentary.
Our nation is becoming more communal. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have to promote brotherhood, linguistic and cultural diversity had to be accepted, and we should finally uphold the dignity of the women and become a responsible citizens.
Don't you feel ashamed to litter at the heritage sites like this? Shame on you.
Sorry, I understood my mistake. I knew that we shouldn't damage the heritage sites like temple, mosques, churches and other monuments of our country. Hereafter, I will not do and make sure others will also not do so.
Protect the nature, river, lakes and wildlife. We should consider all life is equal.
Yes, sir. What you said is right. We should protect our environment and nature. All environment and nature is our future.
As a scientist, I would like to say that today India has evolved as a leading country in the field of science and technology.
Ma'am, tell me, how can we introduce our science and technology to our younger generation?
We need to develop interest in science and technology from young age itself. We have to develop questioning attitude which develops the intellect of the young generation.
common man. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to lead a stable life and it will contribute in the development of the nation. We should achieve a lot in our respective fields so that our nation will become leading nation in the world.
Yes, sir. We will contribute and make our country number one. Mom, I want to study and become a respectful person in the society. Do send me to school. Even I and your father wanted to study. Because of poverty, we couldn't study. Okay, we will arrange the fees for the school. You study well and fulfill the dreams of the whole family.
Fundamental duties which has to be followed by every citizen. It is present in Article 51A, Part 4A of Indian Constitution. Abide by the Indian Constitution, respect its ideals and institution, national flag, national anthem, cherish and follow the noble ideals with respect of for the struggle of country, uphold and protect sovereignty, unity and integrity, defend the country and
Honor to welcome our chief guest Dr. Chetan Pratap KN, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, University College of Science, Tumakuru, on the stage to address the gathering.
A very good morning to everyone, Honorable Principal Dr. Lava and Mrs. Shetty, and all the teachers who have made the students so happy today, and the parents who have encouraged them. I'm highly thankful, and I wish a very happy Republic Day to all of you. And I'm highly honored to be here at Podar International. I'm highly thankful for the administration and the student who have made me a member of this great family. Thank you so much. I know the sun is ascending and it's becoming a little difficult to sit there in the sun. I don't take much long, because most of the things that I thought of speaking about the Constitution have been covered in the skits. So my burden has come down. And we all know on 26th January 1950, after a very long efforts of about 389 days of work by the Constituent Assembly, we adopted, we enacted, we gave it to ourselves this beautiful Constitution. And our children, they have presented why we have to celebrate, why the Constitution means so much to us through their skits, through which this gave us a glimpse of fundamental rights and duty. And I'm thankful to the teachers who have trained them so well. And what I thought of saying today was, after so much effort by so many people, of about 389 people were present in the Constituent Assembly, and in the draft committee itself there were 7 headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and the members being Munshi, and one of the members was actually from Karnataka, Madhava Rao. He was born in Tamil Nadu, but he worked and served and lived in Karnataka, and we are very proud to say that he was also one of the member of the drafting committee. And with all their efforts, knowledge, wisdom, we have such a great constitution which ensured the freedom, liberty, and brotherhood over this entire country. After 75 years, we have achieved such a great success. We have been 5th largest economy in the world.
Thank you everyone. When life gives you someone very special, you don't have to dream anymore. I would like to cordially invite our beloved principal, Dr. Lava MB sir, on the stage to address the guests.
My dear parents, I wish you happy Republic Day. We had given time 9:30 sharp. We will wind up the program. We are about to wind up the program. As a presidential address, that's my duty to address you. Today, our students' quorum means attendance is very thin. The reason is morning is very chilly weather. We are unable to get up, and parents also today they have holiday. So this all makes us lazy and lethargic. When you think about our great leaders and those who sacrificed their life, they contributed a lot to this society. They envisaged their aim to have freedom and a great constitution that should keep all of us safe, healthy, happy. For that they work day and night. Because of that, we are here, we are leading our comfortable life, and we are taking undue advantage also. That's why, as a young citizen of our country, we need to think, introspect, what is my role and responsibility as a citizen of this country. School, this is a knowledge center. We give knowledge in all the aspects.
On this prestigious Republic Day celebration. I am Tanvi from J2 CNR presenting you today's vote of thanks. First, I express my sincere thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Chetan Pratap KM sir, for his presence and valuable words. Thank you, sir. Our heartfelt thanks to esteemed Principal Dr. Lava MB sir, who made this event a memorable one. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to thank the headmistress of Podar Prep, Ms. Reshma Shetty ma'am, for her valuable presence. Thank you, ma'am. Special thanks to all the dedicated teachers, staff members, council members, and dear Podarites. We are truly grateful for your support on this occasion. Now it's time to end today's auspicious program of our Republic Day. We once again wish you a happy Republic Day. Thank you, one and all.